What are you doing, Sophia? What are you doing? Is that the trash can? Yeah? Yeah, you closed the trash can. Good job. Now it's open. It's closed now. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, it's open again. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Papa.
What, baby girl? Uh-huh.
She found your drink.
Baby girl. Is that the trash?
She's been saying, it's open, it's closed, it's open, it's closed. Yeah, that's the fridge. Good job. Yeah, that's a fridge. Okay, I'll follow you. I'm following you. I'm right behind you.
You want to go outside and play ball with Bubby?
I'm not Bobby, I'm Aaron.
I'm not Bubby, I'm Aaron.
Oh, okay.
You want to touch the kitty? I'll pet the kitty? See? See, look. Just gently do this. See? Just like this. You do that?
No.
Why not? Come here. It's okay. He won't hurt you. He's a very soft kitty. See, feel him. He's very soft. Just like a little blanket.